everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about a very common issue. What to do when the Bluetooth remote control of an Android TV box or Android TV stick disconnects or won't pair. This guide works for both Q series and non-Q series devices. 1. Android TV box, method 1. Repair via System Settings Universal. First, a universal method applicable to all Android TV boxes. Even after disconnecting Bluetooth, the universal box remote control maintains an infrared connection. So, 1. Use the remote to enter settings. 2. Go to Bluetooth or Bluetooth and accessories. 3. Delete the paired Bluetooth remote. 4. After deleting, the system will automatically enter pairing mode. 5. Repair the remote following the on-screen instructions. This method solves most sudden disconnection issues. Method 2. Exclusive method for Q8, Q10, Q11. If you are using Q8, Q10, or Q11 Android TV boxes, press and hold the physical button on the device. The Bluetooth connection will be disconnected. The remote pairing screen will pop up automatically. This is very useful when the remote is completely unresponsive. 2. Android TV stick. Method 1. Use a 2.4G remote control or mouse. If you are using an Android TV stick, 1. Use a 2.4G remote or a USB mouse. 2. Go to settings. 3. Remove the paired Bluetooth remote. 4. Repair the Bluetooth remote. This is the most stable and reliable solution. Method 2. Reconnect the power supply 3 times. Unplug and reconnect the power 3 times in a row. The system will automatically enter Bluetooth remote pairing mode. Method 3. Restore factory settings via CMS backend. Use the CMS backend system. Perform a factory reset. After reset, the device will automatically enter initial pairing mode. The prerequisite for controlling the device through the CMS backend is that the device must be powered on and connected to the network. 3. Still not working? If none of the above methods work, or if the device frequently disconnects automatically, we recommend first updating to the latest firmware. Here is the official video tutorial we previously released on how to perform a firmware upgrade. You can find the corresponding video guide for your specific product. If the issue persists after updating the firmware, it may be a hardware problem. The device will need to be returned for repair. Or wait for a new firmware version to be released. That's all for today's guide on fixing Bluetooth remote connection issues on Android TV boxes and TV sticks. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video!